In this guide, we are going over a Subnautica 2 lead location. This is going to be a full guide. I'm going to show you exactly where you can find it from the life pod. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, it looks like it's starting to get a little bit brighter again outside, but what you're going to want to do starting from the life pod is head about northeast, like 70-ish degrees total, and this is once again from the life pod itself. It is a little far. You're gonna have to travel about 300 to 310 meters. This area is not really dangerous, so if you just keep heading in this direction, and you can stay close to the surface at first if you need oxygen. I'm using a vehicle right now, but obviously not everyone's going to have that. But continue going down a little bit. You're looking for a giant rock formation. It's going to look something like this. This is kind of how you can tell exactly where you are. Keep going past this a little bit. Past this first little rock guy. All you have to do once you find this thing, and I'll pause so you guys can see my exact coordinates, is just make your way down inside this little hole. And there's a wreck right next to this that's worth exploring as well. It's got some good blueprints. I believe it's right over in that direction. But make your way down here. You're going to see a bunch of different stuff. It looks like we got some titanium. It looks like we got some quartz. But of course, you're also going to have some lead in this area as well. So check this out. Look especially along the walls. You're going to get a lot of lead over there. That's going to be the full process though. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. We could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.